I don't know. There was just a lot, like both of the games that we've played dead clips where like I just saw people like peek and catwalk, just getting fucking mowed down. Yeah, I fucking the sprint speed, dude. I didn't even think about it, but bottom tonight arc gives you the sprint speed.
Hey Dylan, when do you go back to school?
It's either the first or second, the 2nd of January. You sure?
Do you want to go over to Sydney and Jake's thing if I do after scrims?
Yeah. Which I'm gonna stop playing.
Help you but your team
After
and your
scrims.
weapon. Fight!
I mean, this might be the
Go
last
up left,
one.
up left.
I don't know. Whenever you're done.
Other one. Minus one, minus one, minus one.
Fucking dead. Watch out, don't die, Dylan. Just stay alive.
Oh, just stay alive. He's pitching you. Nice, you master.
Yeah, live, 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 live. They're all coming for you.
I
Yeah,
couldn't-
No, there's no.
Go left, go left, go left. They're one shot right in front of me.
Wait, just one, wait, just one. On the
That's
left,
knife from the left.
on the left.
Dylan, why do you keep mailing the air?
I don't have my charged melee bound,
Don't
so I don't have a throwing knife. That's pretty nice.
I'm pulling back.
Trigger. Dude, the one's on divider.
Minus one. Done that.
Got the one on divider. Good call. Trade.
Huh?
They're on A, they're on A. That's a good trade.
Wait, is pushing middle. He's alone. Got him. Got him. Nice.
Divider. I need help.
Don't
Fuck.
do it. We wanna back off, back off, back off. We got.
Alright, live. We're coming, we're coming, we're coming. We're gonna take outside, outside. Okay, go inside from here. Because they're all outside.
Matt is
Don't wanna
outside.
die. Yeah, back up, back up. Alright, let's kill them when they come inside. Come on, they're all fucking low, man.
Dude.
There we go, we're good.
Okay, and then Gon just still bodies me. It's cool. Watch out, Gon.
He has one arm.
Middle.
Just kill Gon.
Behind you, mad.
Please?
Seriously? No clap.
We all need to get on the same page. Where are we going? We're outside. Alright, keep coming, keep coming. Don't challenge that. Everybody come on. Dylan, get over here. No, keep running. We're all gonna rotate this way. All gonna rotate this way. On the inside. Shoot the guy in the divider. Okay, we won that gunfight out.
Songa's pushing inside. He's pushing you.
Good kill, Dylan.
He's so low.
Which is still there. What?
Ugh. Nice.
It's such a fucking ape, dude.
Let's go.
Back up.
Come on,
Let us
boys, we
get
got
to.
this.
We just need to stay out of all situations where we could possibly get in a fucking shotgun fight. Inside, inside.
Actually, holy shit. I outsnipe the gun every single time.
That's good. I'm hitting God from the side. Just give me a second. One shot on the inside. Fuck.
What's in that?
So back up, back up, back up.
Hard scoping
One behind.
Matt is outside.
Don't peek
One
outside.
behind.
Don't peek outside. Go inside.
Wait, just one.
Last guy's hit 106.
Doesn't matter.
Fucking songs is one shot on heavy. Go inside. Get out of there. Get out of there. Don't challenge that shit.
Big one's got it.
He tracked me through the wall. He threw it through the wall.
Keep
What
running
the
through.
fuck?
Keep running through.
He's in middle. He's in middle.
Good shit. Behind you.
Fuck down. My bad. I'm gonna challenge them on outside with a sniper. I'm hard scoping both. The flames out. Got down.
Big one's getting a lot of picks outside, and they're not liking it. So we're just gonna try and stay outside as much as possible.
Hunza is one.
Gon hit the craziest snipe against me
Wait,
just
you're
now.
tethered?
He's tethered. Yeah. He's right into Vider. Good shit.
And so I'm
Dude, fucking Gon, man, is insane. Behind you.
Fire team.
Nice.
I forgot that I had
Okay,
golden
you
gun
go
on. I
for it.
thought I had arc staff, and I ran in there and I just fucking barrel stuffed a dude with my
I was
golden
gonna say,
gun.
what the fuck are you doing, Dylan? You're throwing.
I thought I had arc staff on.
Gon
dude, I'm
scoping on
sorry.
right. Gon scoping
shot
right.
one shot. He shot one shot. He has one more left.
He's out. He's in super.
I
Middle.
need a hunter like you with the red
Oh,
jacket.
just get away. I distracted him.
Forgot his,
Dude, fuck
teleport.
off, man. That's such dog shit. I got spawned on. Fuck. Fucker mad is one shot.
Back up him.
Bro, good
Not bad.
kill, Dylan.
He almost popped his super on us, so he's gonna pop it as soon as he spawns. So watch
Just
out for
gonna try
that.
and do that.
I'm just trying to run away first.
He has a slam, so don't get close to him.
I got bodied. He's trying to get the special. Okay, watch out. Big one, you're by yourself.
No, I wasn't that dead, so I didn't
Traded.
respawn. That's
Watch out on the stairs, and on the left. I'd say back way up into A spawn.
Madison left. Yeah, back up. We're good.
Yeah, back up. Rotate. Around this way. Get on the inside.
Rotate with death. Rotate with death.
I got. Mad is there. He's alone. Mad is alone.
It's okay, he's low. That guy's dead.
To your left.
Mad's
Nice.
dead.
To your right. Nice.
He's dead. One
One
left.
more.
I'm going towards you. That's
Right outside diamond. Rotating.
Okay,
Right.
all of them spawned on me. I'm just running. Back up. The way the fuck up.
yeah, I know.
Back way the fuck up. Behind you, Anthony.
Yeah, there's one on the inside though. He's disoriented. He's one shot.
Got him.
Let's go.
Headshot.
Go, dude.
You're cracked.
How many super I headshot today?
We're better, dude.
I don't know, dude. You're nuts, so.
His melee on his slam fucking whiffed against me. He didn't slam, so easy clap.
Guns here, guns
Fucking
here.
shit, dude.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah, team shot gone.
Keep it
Yeah,
up,
good shit.
and victory is yours.
Oh, Madison.
All good, all good. Y'all need to get together.
I'm halfway through.
Go left, go left, go left, go left. Don't peek that. Don't peek
Yeah,
that.
no.
We
Me
split.
and Dylan split.
That's
Okay,
fine.
Dylan, rush him, rush our teammates.
They're all one shot. They're all one shot.
Dead. Dead.
Yes!
Thank you, go. Let's go, dude.
Oh, I'll
You
go
fucking clean
far
that
right to
shit.
try to get a pick.
Yeah. Support him, support him, support him. He's by
No,
himself.
no. The two on the outside.
He's low, up in the air, Never mind, don't worry about it.
Back up, back up. Back.
Back up.
Dylan, come back to me. Dylan, come back to me.
Shit.
Okay, I'm coming, Dad.
3 there, 3 there. 4 there.
We need to go this
all
way?
the outside.
Get this way, get this way.
Come on.
Watch heavy. We're gonna team shot him.
Oh, fuck. That wasn't good.
I'm
I
pulling
would
through.
live if I didn't
Wait.
come back.
Well, we all should have just been there. We're way too split. We can't. We're gonna throw the lead. We threw the lead because we just kept splitting.
Bro, calm down. You can do this.
Regroup.
Just get on outside. Stay together.
Tied up right now.
Going back.
Push this guy. He's by himself. Please.
Dude, I'm one shot.
Bridge is one, go bridge.
Your enemy
Good shit, good
covers
shit.
you if they're dead.
All right, he's gonna clean it.
Trade it.
Nice.
One more.
Tied.
One more,
Tied.
one more.
One more.
Just live. Dylan, come to me. Okay, come on. Stay out of fights. Let me get the fusion kill.
Don't just stay safe.
Run. Where's he at? Where's he at? He's on the outside. Just stay away from the outside.
That's a tracking one, so stay away from.
Fuck! What?
This time. Stand tall, Guardian. This battle is lost, but there will be others.
So we're leaving now.
If that's the end of scrims. Or if you're done. And I'm down. Yeah. Alright, bro.